Welcome. If you want to tidy up your Instagram messages and delete a group chat using the Instagram app on your PC, you're in the right place. The latest update has made this process straightforward and quick. Let me guide you through the simple steps to delete a group chat on Instagram from your computer. First, open the Instagram app on your PC and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click on the messages icon. It looks like a paper airplane and is where all your direct messages are stored. Next, browse through your inbox and open the group chat you want to delete. After the group chat opens, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you will see an info icon. This might look like a small eye or an information symbol. Click on this icon to open the group chat settings. In the menu that appears, you will find the option to delete chat. Click on this and a confirmation prompt will pop up, asking if you are sure you want to delete the chat. Confirm this action by clicking delete again. And just like that, the group chat will be removed from your Instagram messages on your PC. Keep in mind, deleting the chat only removes it from your inbox. Other members of the group will still have access to the conversation unless they delete it on their end as well. By following these easy steps, you can keep your Instagram inbox clean and organized, removing any group chats that are no longer needed. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a clutter-free Instagram experience.